Good morning, student. How are you? I hope you all are fine. We have completed one chapter, and today we are going to start a new chapter, and that is velocity and acceleration. Okay, so let's start. Okay, what is here? Tree, stone, tower, etc. They all remain at the same place. So we call it as an stationary object. Okay, in other word, they stay at rest only. They are not in motion. Somebody keep on changing their position or moving from one place to another. That is birds, vehicle, people, animal. So they are called and known as in motion. And there are two type of motion. How many? Two. One is uniform and the next is non-uniform motion. The body which move with a uniform motion have a constant velocity. Like at the beginning, they start their car on 10 kilometer per hour. Throughout the journey, their speed was 10 kilometer per hour. At the end of the journey, it was 10 kilometer per hour. That is known as a uniform motion. Now, next come is non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion, it must be the car, the moment when it started, it was 10 kilometer per hour. In a journey, somewhere it was 7, somewhere it was 20, somewhere it was 6, somewhere it was 0. So that is known as a non-uniform motion. Identically uniform motion is not doesn't exist because we have to decrease or increase our speed according to the traffic condition. So in reality, there is only non-uniform motion, and in non-uniform motion only we can obtain an average velocity. Okay, because in a uniform motion there is a constant velocity. Now, what is average velocity? Remember, the average distance traveled by a body in a particular direction in 1 second is called average velocity. Displacement, because distance travel in a particular direction, so it is a vector quantity. Okay, so average velocity is equal to total displacement by total time taken. What? Total displacement by total time taken. Let me tell you. So we write it V, velocity, average velocity V, in bracket we can write AV. Okay, and then sorry, equal to total displacement like distance covered in a particular direction. So we denote it with S. And by, okay, by what? Time. So here T. So average velocity is equal to S by T, where S is equal to total, S is equal to total distance covered in a particular direction. I hope you get it. And this is only written out here. VA is equal to S by T, where VA is equal to average velocity, S is equal to total distance covered in a particular direction, T is equal to total time. Let's solve this question. Okay. So here, if a body has displaced 10 meter in 2 seconds, 10 meter in 2 seconds, 10 meter in 2 seconds, I'm sorry, let me erase it. 10 meter, first of all, I will make a lining. 10 meter in 2 seconds and then 32 meter in another 5 seconds. So let's do it. First, the body has moved 10 meter, added to, yes, 32 meter. Done. And the next, by time taken, what is the total time? Yes, total time is equal to 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 is equal to 10. So now let's do this. Okay. What does it happen now? What will happen now? We have to again 32 plus 10 is equal to 42. And we will write it out here. That is 42. And again out here 7. And we know that while cancelling these two, what we will get? 7, 1 ja 7 and 7, 6. So what is our answer? Our answer is 6 meter per second. So this is our average velocity, that is 6 meter per second. Understood? I hope you guys have understand this question and you don't have any issue in this. Let's move further. See, 6 meter per second. Average velocity is equal to 6 meter per second. If a body has initial velocity u and final velocity v, initial u, final v, then average velocity of the body is given as v is equal to u plus v by 2. Average velocity is equal to initial velocity plus final velocity by 2. Suppose there is the example, a man ride a bicycle for 4 minutes to reach his office 6 kilometers per hour. What is his average velocity? Here we have total distance and time. First of all, we have to convert this 4 minutes into second and 6 kilometer into 6 kilometer into meter. That would be 6,000, right? 6,000. Please forgive my handwriting because it is very bad. Okay, and while we convert 4 meter into second, then what we get? 44 into 60, so 20. Yes, 2, 4, 0. Now we have to cancel it so that our answer will come. 0 and 0. 6 4s are, right? And 6 1s are 0 and 0. Okay, again we have cancelled 4 1s are and 4 25s are 25. So our answer is 25 meter per second. So this is your answer. I hope you understand this. Yes? See, this is your answer. 25 meter per second. And you have also got 25 meter per second out here. Understood? Okay, let's rub it. Now comes the relative velocity, which we will study in the next session. Okay? Let's end this.